And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video. Raising cat is to realize your body isn't your anymore.
Excuse me, Tic Tac. Look at me, please. I did not appreciate the way you treat.
Oh, hi, Mia. How are you today? You're that good. Yeah? Are you gonna come inside? Welcome, welcome.
Jack, do you want to go back outside? Is that what it is? You're mad at me? Okay, well, I don't think it's a good idea. You just got back from the vet.
Let me see.
Crow? Are you okay? Crow? Oh, okay. She cheek on you. What's that baby doing?
She got all the things of the fun.
Wow, so beautiful, Smokey. Good job, Chloe.
She doesn't have any of them right here.
Maybe she needs something right there.
Not every day will you see a cat who chooses guarding over sleeping. Every long journey starts with a little moment of love. Look at how gentle she is. Girl will grow. Being a good mom, I can feel it. When you don't have to worry about your child being alone, as she has a friend like this.
Hey. Squish. Be nice to your brother.
고양이 놀아주고 있었어? 예린아, 어머, 고양이 놀아줬어?
Get a cat, they said. It'll be fun, they said. You'll never feel the love that you would feel from a cat.
But that's it. Take your time, bro.
Lighting from what's it called?
Hey, Bailey.
Oh, shit, come on, I didn't want it. Hey, Billy.
Buddy just barged in like cooking wasn't hard enough.
Why are you like this? He already destroyed the roll. I'm at least gonna get a video.
All that hair on the ground. Look at all this hair on the ground. Oh, oh, oh.
Too late, buddy. Better start drafting that courtroom apology speech. This guy fulfills our childhood's wishes just by sitting there. Someone clearly can't handle being anything less than the shiniest in this house.
Douglas? What are you doing, Toby? Get out of the tree. You.
She always walks over here. These are good looking and they're comfortable. And they don't have a little flap at the front that's...
Let me guess, you want to impress your girl? Looks like some truly tragic events went down last year with the tree.
Well, that's an expensive tree topper. Hi. You want to get down?
The most Christmas way to tell your cat how precious he is. Well, he looks pretty thrilled about it. Be careful when handling a cat presence. It does not think it's a joke. Cats and Christmas trees don't seem like a compatible pair, huh? Now the cutest decoration award goes to... Bro wants to replace that thing 'cause he's a star. Again, can you ever make a Christmas tree that stays up just once?
I've had this up for 3 seconds, these, and he has, this one, you, has already bitten into it. You stay away from my presents. You stay away from my presents.
Moment that warms every father's heart is when they receive gifts from their children. And things even become more magical when it's a kitten for Christmas night.